Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in a Ford Taurus. First, gather your tools. You'll need a 15mm socket, an oil filter wrench, a drain pan, and a funnel. Safety is paramount, so ensure your vehicle is securely raised on jack stands or ramps. You'll also need about 6 quarts of 5W20 motor oil and a new oil filter. Having everything ready beforehand makes the process much smoother and safer. Now, let's get that old oil out. The oil drain plug is usually a 15mm bolt located on the passenger side of the oil pan towards the front of the vehicle. Place your drain pan directly underneath to avoid any mess. Carefully loosen and remove the drain plug, letting all the old engine oil flow into the pan. This usually takes several minutes, so be patient and let it drain thoroughly. With the old oil drained, it's time for the filter. The oil filter is typically located behind the front exhaust manifold. Use your oil filter wrench to loosen and remove the old filter, being mindful of any residual oil. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Spin the new filter on until it's hand-tight. Then, using a funnel, add about 5.5 to 6 quarts of new 5W20 motor oil to your engine. Once the new oil is in, replace the oil fill cap and carefully lower your vehicle. Start the engine and let it idle for about 30 seconds to circulate the new oil, then turn it off. Check your dipstick to ensure the oil level is correct, adding more if needed, and inspect for any leaks around the drain plug or filter. Before we wrap up, remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks, plus other great deals. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.